In this tutorial, I'll show you from and Goto block issue. Okay, and in some time you can see your model is not working uh, and not giving an error. Okay, and here you can see I have used four from block and four uh, Goto block inside Simulink. Okay, and here in the output I haven't seen anything. Okay, and the problem is here the four Goto signal. Okay, and this is the signal editor or signal builder block, and here I created four signal. Okay, four signal, and I have used four Goto signal. Okay, and the scope should give the accurate output. Okay, but it not giving the output. Okay, the problem is the Goto block tag visibility. Okay, now you can see my Goto block is tag visibility is giving as local. So if you want to use this block whole your model, you have to um, check to global. Okay, now click OK. Similarly, I'm setting all the tag to global. Okay, click OK, and now run this model. Now you can see this is perfectly working. Okay, and it's giving bubble. Okay, and you can also check the marker as none. True, it also giving marker, I don't know why. 3 and apply, and 4 marker is not. Okay, so this is the way you can solve your problem of from and Goto block of your single model. Okay, and you can also so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.